Setting up your Honeywell portable air conditioner properly is crucial for optimal performance. We'll walk through each step of the installation process. First, carefully unpack your air conditioner and place it upright. This is critical. Let the unit stand upright for at least 1 hour before plugging it in. This allows the refrigerant to stabilize after shipping. Next, prepare your window for venting. Your Honeywell unit comes with a complete window venting kit that includes sealing plates, exhaust hose, connectors, and mounting hardware. Connect the exhaust hose to the back of your air conditioner unit. Then attach the other end to the window bracket. Keep the hose as straight as possible. Any kinks or bends will reduce efficiency. Seal any gaps around the window with weather stripping. This prevents hot outside air from entering and cool air from escaping, which is essential for efficient operation. Finally, plug your unit into a grounded electrical outlet. Position the air conditioner at least 20 inches away from the wall to ensure proper airflow and ventilation around the unit. Your Honeywell portable air conditioner is now properly installed and ready for operation. Following these setup steps ensures optimal cooling performance and energy efficiency. Operating your Honeywell portable air conditioner is straightforward. Start by powering on the unit using the control panel. Select your desired operating mode. You can choose between cooling for hot weather, fan mode for air circulation, or dehumidifying to remove excess moisture from the air. Adjust the temperature and fan speed to your comfort level. Most models allow you to set specific temperatures and choose from multiple fan speeds for optimal comfort. Many Honeywell models feature auto-evaporation technology, which automatically handles most condensation. However, in very humid conditions, you may need to manually drain excess water from the unit. Regular maintenance is essential for optimal performance. Clean the air filter every 2 weeks to maintain air quality and cooling efficiency. This simple step prevents dust buildup and ensures proper airflow. For smart models, connect to Wi-Fi and use the Honeywell app for remote control. You can also use voice commands through Amazon Alexa for hands-free operation. Finally, ensure your unit's BTU rating matches your room size for optimal efficiency. Store the unit in a dry place when not in use to prevent damage and extend its lifespan.